Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, the Home Cook Hero, back with a new video. Y'all, today I am continuing on with my game day appetizer series, and I am making some sweet chili jerk chicken wings for y'all. Y'all, this recipe was so good. It tasted like almost like you grilled it outside, honestly. But we just baked it in the oven, y'all. It is so good, so many depths of flavor, and y'all, this chicken was so moist inside, and I really just can't stand myself. So y'all, let's just get right on into this video, alright? Stick around, y'all. Alright, y'all, so first you want to start out with some clean chicken wings, and I'm going in with my jerk marinade of choice. I love the Walker's Wood brand. Y'all seen me use it a couple times before, but yeah, you can definitely use whatever brand is your preference, whatever you like, whatever you have on hand. It doesn't really matter. Even if you have homemade jerk marinade, use that up in there. Alright, y'all, then the next thing, I'm going in with some browning. That's just to help develop the color a little bit more. Going in with some paprika, again, just for color. Some fresh cracked black pepper. Going in with a little bit of salt. Yes, a little bit. I'm also going in with a couple of teaspoons of this garlic paste. I didn't really feel like chopping up any garlic or using my little garlic press. But yeah, do whatever you want to do. You can use like 3 cloves of garlic, mince it up, and you're fine. And then, y'all, of course, we're going in with the sweet chili sauce. And yes, you want to use enough of that to really have the sweetness kind of like come through and stand up to all of that bacon, as well as to stand up to that jerk marinade, because that jerk marinade is spicy, which is how I like it. Alright, y'all, so now that we have completely coated the wings in that sauce, I'm just placing it on a baking sheet that I topped with a grate, whatever you, I don't even know what this thing is called, a baking sheet. I don't even know, y'all see what it looks like. So yeah, if you have one of these, this definitely helps because it will allow air to circulate under the bottom, and just like keeping wings that we fry nice and crispy, when you cook wings on this right here, it'll definitely help them cook evenly and help it to develop a nice crust, because we're obviously not frying these, so any kind of help with crust development is going to be appreciated. Y'all, I feel like I'm talking. I didn't even tell y'all. So you want to put this into the oven for about 15 minutes on 400 degrees. Take it out and flip it over, which is just what you saw me do. Then you want to put it in for like another 10 or so minutes on the same temperature and take it out again. And then, y'all, you want to just go in with a little bit more of that sweet chili sauce. And then I threw some parsley up in there just to kind of like have the parsley, I don't know, I guess bacon to the wings. And I added the sweet chili, a little bit of sweet chili sauce at this step in the game, because I just wanted to have some of that sweetness shine through at the end, kind of like a nice finishing note of sweetness. And y'all, this recipe right here is definitely a must try, because when you combine jerk chicken with any type of like sweetness or honey or whatever, it is so good, y'all. So definitely give this one a try. Alright, y'all, so I took it out of the oven. I just put it in the oven for another like 5 to 10 minutes with that sweet chili sauce on the top of it. And then, y'all, I'm just plating it up. As y'all see, I'm getting a little bit better with plating, right? If you compare it to my last jerk chicken video, I'm doing a little better, right? Give me that, all right? I went out, bought a couple little plates and everything. So, I'm trying to step my game up for y'all. Definitely trying to step my game up for y'all, okay? Understand it, recognize it, appreciate it, okay? Alright, y'all, so now I'm just tasting this chicken. I really cannot resist any longer. Y'all, I'm about to bite into this chicken right now. Yes, I'm narrating for y'all. I'm just showing y'all some of this chicken. I know it's a little blurry, but don't worry about that. But y'all, this chicken was so good and so moist inside still, y'all. Yeah, I mean, the focus is a little off, but I mean, listen to what I'm saying. Y'all, this chicken was so daggone juicy, and that jerk marinade really shined through, as well as that sweet chili sauce. Y'all, this is definitely a must try. Of course, I got some limes on the side. You can squeeze some lime on the top of it, y'all. Definitely give this recipe a try, y'all. It was so good. So, y'all, that is all I have for y'all in this video. Like I always say, if you enjoyed it, if you tried out the recipe and you liked it, definitely leave me a comment down below, y'all. You can even subscribe to the channel, y'all. So with that, I will see you in the next video. Later.